Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a Toyota Tundra big truck. It has the scrape through the thing, so it has a little football dent there, similar little football dent here, and if you look real close, you'd see a little light crease right here. We did some other dents on this car. Excuse the background noise, we don't have the microphone on. We did some other dents on this car, and basically, guys, what we're doing is we're just gonna throw this in the free bin, and we're gonna do some more free work. This is a real nice truck for a real nice guy, and we did a larger dent on this car. Came out pretty good, but I also noticed this little one on the fender, and I said, hey, if I have the time, I'll just knock that little guy out. And I figured we'd make a video of it and bring you guys in for it. It had that scuff. Obviously, that scuff comes right off. There's a little bit more of it. This is 3M Perfect-It, my wax that I always use. And there's another little scuff right here. Grab a little bit more of the product on the rag there. And basically for this one up top, I can see the angle that I'm at. And I'm just gonna grab number one, find my little piece of plastic edge here, come up underneath it, and boom, I'm in it. So we'll take out this one, then this one, and I'm just right up on it, guys. I'm gonna make some real nice slow pushes, but this is a super quick dent. The reason why I could just kind of give this one away for free, you know, it's almost gone. It's at 80. Couple more pushes, it's at about 90. And I'm not even gonna get super nitpicky on it. Go like this a little bit more, give myself a little bit more angle, but gonna get that 95% out of a free dent real lickety split quick. Coming into the center of it, making my last little bit of dialing in pushes while the sun's coming out. And now I'm gonna come down to this one. See how this one looks. It's kind of a weird angle on me. So I'm just gonna hold the tool and kind of look at it like right here. And if you notice, I'm not even using a fulcrum. I'm using my hand as the fulcrum. So I'm just holding the tool, coming right off the palm of my hand. But real slight pushes, guys. This is, you know, this is just doing what I love to do. This is my passion, you know. I love doing dents. So I don't like leaving a dent on a car. And now that I just moved the board, I just noticed we have a little tiny ding on the door, which I'll have to do most likely off camera. It's a little bit foggy right here, so let me give it a little splash of Perfect-It, and we'll get this little dent out. Let's see if you can see it. It's kind of a strange one. Where was my little piece of stuff? And what's that? Another little scuff mark. But we'll get it out. Got to be able to see through that metal. I'm kind of splashing on myself. Got to be able to see through that metal so I can see right where my tool is. And I know that that little scratch isn't even near the dent, but I also like to clean up the panel that I'm working on just so it doesn't look all totally dirty. Yeah, that thing had a severe scuff in it. I can see it now. But I'm gonna just sneak in there with number one again. Here we go. Right past, and then just kind of right in there. And if we look at that dent, it's got body line and a little high and a low on each side of it. Let's come through, go to the top, and just baby that little line down. Once I could straighten that black line up, I know that the rest of it's gonna fall into place. And so I will say the thing, I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on this video, I really do. If you guys would hit that subscribe button, we sure appreciate it. It helps out the channel. We would love to see the community grow. We always try to answer our comments, and I'm just doing this to share my knowledge of what I know with the world. I'm not trying to prove anything, and I'm definitely not doing it for monetary reasons, because anybody knows that YouTube doesn't really pay a lot of money. But yeah, this is, like I said at the beginning, this is a real nice truck, and this is a real nice guy, and so we're just going to do what we can to make it good for him. I don't even think he knew that this little dent was even here, but he did know that these two little ones were up here, so they came out fairly nice. I'm just playing around with this body line right now. It actually looks pretty darn good. Might be a little wave that I could touch up when I get a better light on it, or off camera or whatever. There's a little tiny wave, but like I say, for free, we did that one, and that one. Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is get my board down like this and well, I'll do it right now. Get my board down like this, and I'll come right in here, and I'll get the last little bit of that out. There we go. A couple of 5 or 6 pound pushes, nice and solid. On that last note, guys, I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks the like button and that hits us up on the PayPal. We haven't created a Patreon yet, and honestly, I don't know if we will, just because that's something that it forces people to pay. So I'd rather have it be all voluntary. But other than that, guys, I think those dents came out pretty good, and we got to get a video out for you today. So if you like what you see, hit me up with a like button. And other than that, this has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.